Hey guys, what's up? Today we will be making some easy no-sew face masks. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, you will need a strip of fabric. Put your template on top of the piece of fabric. After doing so, mark roughly how much space it takes up. After doing that, fold the fabric into 4 pieces. Put the template back on to the fabric and outline roughly how much space the mask would take. Leave a bit of extra space. Now you will need to cut the outline out and make sure your 4 pieces are identical. Make sure to cut all the corners to achieve a nice looking mask. Do not leave any curved or edges that aren't supposed to be there. After cutting all of them, you should group them into 2 groups. After grouping them into 2 identical groups, start hot gluing along the curved portion for both pieces. If there are any holes, make sure to check them and put hot glue to cover them up. You do not want to leave any holes for this step. Check once or twice to see if there are any holes. As you can see, the first time I had a hole, I fixed it, and now there is no hole left. When you are done hot gluing the curved side, it should look similar to the one I have. When you're done hot gluing both of the fabric groups, you will end up with only 2 large pieces. What you're going to do is take the side that has been hot glued and put them together, facing together. After putting them facing together, you will start to glue the outside. This mask works as a sewable mask, but if you do not know how to sew or if you prefer using a hot glue gun, this is a great way to do so. You will want to hot glue especially tight in the middle portion, as you will be grouping up 3 pieces of fabric there. Make sure not to miss that spot. After that is done, you need to flip your mask inside out and get an elastic strand. After getting 2 elastic strings, you will start to glue them on the edges, and once you are done gluing them on the edges, cut a strip or a small square of the fabric and glue it on top. This will ensure a nice look, as well as it will achieve no discomfort to your skin. Repeat that step for the other side of the face mask as well. And make sure to glue these on securely.